Symbaloo is a fantastic resource for using in the classroom. In this video, we will explore several ways it can be used to increase student engagement. Symbaloo is versatile and allows teachers and students to access online resources quickly. Here are 3 ways that Symbaloo can be used in the classroom. The first way is a flipped classroom and/or homework resources. Create web mixes for each subject that students can refer back to when completing homework. These web mixes can be shared by embedding or sharing the link. For example, I have a math web mix that I can share with students, and they can go on the web mix and look at different resources when they're doing their math homework. I have a reading web mix, and I also have a student resources web mix. One web mix that students enjoy is fun sites. The second thing is students can create a personal learning environment, or a PLE, and this helps students to take responsibility and ownership for their learning. Encourage students to make it personal and include sites that they frequently use. For example, we use Google Classroom frequently in my classroom, and this would be a good tile for my students to have added to their web mix. A third thing that you could use Symbaloo in the classroom for is research projects. Have students create a web mix of information and things that they have found about a research project. By allowing students to bookmark the sites visually, they'll be able to refer back to them quickly. For example, if we were researching continents, students could add tiles that link to websites about each continent. So I've got one about Africa and a couple about Australia. So what you're going to do to complete this module is choose a subject. Go back to your web mix and add 3 website resources and 2 videos to the original web mix. Share it publicly and copy the link. Post the link to your web mix and one idea for using Symbaloo in the classroom to the discussion board in Schoology. The discussion board can be found under Discussions and Communication, Module 1 Symbaloo Discussion. It can also be found under the Module 1 Symbaloo folder. Once you have created your web mix, then go to the discussion and include a link back to your web mix. Also, in your post, please include at least one way that you think you could use Symbaloo in the classroom for student engagement. Go to other teachers' posts and reply to at least 2 and see if you can find some new ideas and new ways of using Symbaloo in your classroom. This technology tool helps you to work smarter, not harder.